everyone, before the video start, I want to say it's official that we finally have a server, fan server. And I'm gonna link the server in the description. So yeah, join the server and go yap with each other or made fun art for me and share your arts here in this one. And we have a therapy session if you need therapies. We have a yapping and no mic, of course, and we have a gaming. This is the rules. Yeah, only use English. Don't speak any other language. Don't start a fight on the chat. Don't be shy to share your problems. If you want therapists, you can join the therapist voice chat. That's all. Please follow this all if when you join the server. And by the way, we have the server boost. For we need to earn we need to earn the server boost for the tags. So I can finally make a tag. So yeah, we have yup. Yeah, I finally post some. I finally chat something there, but it's just an emoji. And yeah, you can join the server, guys. I'm gonna link this to the description down there. So let's start. So we're here in Minecraft, and yeah, Bedrock always. So I'm here in the Forgotten SMP because this is the only SMP I played. So let's join in. So I've been playing in the Forgotten SMP for a while now. So you'll notice that I have diamonds, irons, and stuffs. So wait, yeah, and I've been playing it, so I know several things in it, and you can earn money too. And to keep your money from losing it when you die, you need to deposit it on the bank. Yes, this server has a bank, so I deposit mine. So every time I die, I won't lose my money. Because when you die here, oh yeah, when you die here in the server, uh, your money will go away too. So by the way, if you want to earn some money, you can go AFK. Yes, you can go AFK just to earn some money and go sing. And by the way, for hours, you can earn $60. Yeah, I only have $70. I want to go AFK, but yeah, I'm kind of lazy. Wait, is everyone playing here? Oh, yeah, everyone is playing, but in the RTP for each other. Oh, wait, there's a player. There's a player. Oh my god. Oh, bro, he got netherite. If you're a Filipino, you'll know this phrase. Sana all. Oh, hello there. I like doing them and seeing new people. Let me take this off. Yeah, only in iron, and I only have 9 diamonds. So let's go in. What is this spawn, bro? This sucks. Oh, oh, the chicken. Goodbye, chicken. No, wait. Goodbye. No. Goodbye. Yay. Get you. No, it's getting dark. No, 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 no. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. What a beautiful sunset. No, no, no. sometimes I like this kind of biome here in the Forgotten Recipe because sometimes there's iron. No, it's getting dark. No. By the way, guys, I'm gonna have a Q&A. Yeah, I'm gonna have a Q&A tomorrow where I'm going to ask all the questions you you asked in the comment. So go comment now or ask my question if you want your comment to be in the video before it's too late. Don't worry, I'm gonna have a part. I'm gonna do some part two of it. No, it's already dark. Wait, I have no choice. I have no choice. Oh, what? No. Oh, I have no choice but to swim. Wait, no, no, please don't attack me. No, don't attack me. They got they're far away. I hate those things. If you're from Philippines, you're probably calling them chokoy. Yeah, chokoy. Eh. No, no. Damn it. Yes. 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 I'll think about it. I'll think about upgrading uh my stuffs uh, later. And yeah, if you want to join the Forgotten SCP, I'm gonna link their Discord in the description. So you can play with me if you want. Kind of dangerous AFKing here because if I go AFK here, there's some Chokoy going to attack my boat. They're gonna destroy my boat then start killing me. But thank God to the server they turn on the keep inventory so it won't be hard for the players when they die. And yeah, where's the moon? Wait, where's the moon? I want to see the moon. Perfect. It's good. So peaceful though. I just hope I can make you guys hear the sound of my gaming of my device so you can hear the music of Minecraft right now, but I can't because if I turn on the device sound, it's gonna my Minecraft is gonna crash out because my phone is low end device. Oh, it's so peaceful though. But it won't be peaceful if mob start attacking me. It won't be very peaceful. It's gonna. Oh wait, there's a base. Wait. Oh, I bet it's claimed. I bet it's claimed. I bet it's claimed. It's not. Maybe it's a sort of a city though. Maybe it's a city. Oh, no. Yeah, maybe it's a city. Oh, there's animals. Maybe is this kind of town? Is this some kind of town or server made this for welcomes? Oh, there's spider. Oh my god! 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 Wait! not in a good mood. Please. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I don't like her. I don't like her. I'd rather live in an ocean even though there's some chocoy. There's sea monsters. I don't care. I'd rather live in the ocean. Oh, I need more obsidians. Some of you must be wondering, wait, how can you eat while in the boat? Bro, because this is bedrock, not Java. But this is my opinion, guys. For me, bedrock is more better. Because last time when I played Java in a computer shop, because here in the Philippines there's some computer shop or com shop, and every time we play Minecraft, of course it's gonna be Java. I I hate the features of Java because, bro, Bedrock is the best because you can download it in any device though. So I'd rather play on Bedrock. It's more better. See, better. There's some skeletons. Wait, they saw me? Seriously? They saw? How did how they how did they saw me? Uh that would happen if you don't take care of the nature. All the tree will go bald. Okay. Wait, did you hear that? There's some shokai. There's some shokai. I hear it. I hear them. There's some shokai. I heard them. I heard them. It's not my. I'm not delusion. It's not. It's not my mind. It's true. There's some shokai. English era. For more information about me, I'm an English era Filipino. I'm a Filipino who always speak on English. But I'm gonna speak Tagalog if I want to. If I run off if I'm run off English, I'm gonna speak Tagalog. And when I don't know how to if I don't know how what the grammar of it, I'm gonna speak on Tagalog. Because bro, Tagalog is my native language. Maybe in my next gaming video, it's gonna be Among Us. Yeah, it's gonna be Among Us. I also play Among Us. Bro, I need lava. Bro, it's gonna. I need the sunrise, the sunrise, the sunrise. Where's the better sunrise? Wait. Oh no, wait. Oh, I can do it. 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 No, don't lag right now. I can do it. I want to see the sunrise, man. I want to see the sunrise. Beautiful. Beautiful. So guys, I have to pause because someone asked me here and I'm actually in the store right now and I'm not alone. Da, 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 dun, 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 na, 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 na. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I forgot the lyrics of that song, but the wait a minute, guys. My mom's calling me. Wait a minute. I'm gonna wait a minute. I'm gonna pause this first, so yeah, it won't waste any minutes. So I'm gonna pause it. Okay, everyone, I'm back. I'm back. So you think it's just a short time, but no, it's not. It's a long time. That's why I just uh, pause it instead of waiting. Sure, jump, jump. Wee. Oh no, I'm hungry. Wait, I have a potato, potato, potato. Na, 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 na. Mm. You ask me how I've been, but how do I begin to tell you we should chase you everything? Oh God, there's no any. Oh, I thought it was a diamond. It was just a dirt. Look, the fuck. There's a coal, but I wait. I'll try to mine it. Wait, I need some air. Okay, can I mine? I can mine it faster with diamonds. I think it's enough. How to know if someone is a Filipino? Just listen to their accent when they're going to say restaurant. It's, their accent is gonna be like restaurant. Guys, I'm gonna show you something. XPVPP like. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun. They're just gonna keep jumping though. They're just gonna keep jumping. So copper. Nah, I don't need copper though. I need diamonds. Even though I already have diamonds, I need diamonds. You can change that. You can't, bro. It's already getting dark. I want to make a treehouse, but what if there's spiders? Oh. What if there's spiders? I thought there's, I thought there's a ship, but no, there's no ship, bro. The fuck? It's getting dark, Joe, but I still can't find something. You little piece of nuts. How am I going to do that? What a beautiful one. But no. Everyone, maybe the videos end here now, even though it's just an adventure. So, bye bye.